Running out of iCloud storage? Here's how to download full-resolution photos from iCloud to your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or PC. Let's get started. Part 1. How to download full-resolution photos from iCloud to iPhone, iPad. Go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud. Tap Photos, switch to iCloud Photos. Select Download and Keep Originals to ensure full-resolution photos are saved to your device. Part 2. How to download original photos from iCloud to Mac. Open Photos on your Mac. Go to Photos Preferences in the menu. Select the iCloud tab and check Download Originals to this Mac. Part 3. How to download iCloud photos with high resolution to PC. Option 1. Add iCloud full-resolution images to PC via iCloud.com. Sign into iCloud.com with your Apple ID and open Photos. Select Items, click the cloud icon. Choose Unmodified Original or Most Compatible and download. Option 2. Get iCloud full-resolution photos to PC by a doctor for iOS. Downloading multiple photos from iCloud to PC can be frustrating due to crashes or errors. Mobican Doctor for iOS offers a reliable offline solution to preview and download iCloud files selectively. Here is how to download full-resolution photos from iCloud by using Doctor for iOS. Open Doctor for iOS and log in via Recover from iCloud, verifying your account. Select Album and click Next to scan iCloud photos. Preview, select, and click Recover to Computer to download photos.